In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram taking up too much space on your phone. Telegram automatically saves photos, videos, and files from chats, which can quickly fill up your storage. So the first thing that you may want to do is open up your Telegram app, then head over to your settings. Now from here, click on data and storage. Then next is click on storage usage and click on clear cache. You don't have to worry for clearing this won't clear your chats. You can also toggle this automatic media download settings so that photos and videos will not automatically download on your phone anymore. You can also use storage usage to see which chats take the most space and clear media from specific chats. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!